In this video, we are going to learn how to log out your account from DeepSeek. First, you have to open any browser on your device. Here, I am using Google Chrome. After that, simply click on the search bar and type in DeepSeek. Now, click on this Start Now option here. To log out, first you have to log into your account, so make sure that you are logged into your account. After logging to your account, you'll see this page, and here on the bottom left corner of your screen you can see My Profile option. Simply click on it. Now you can see different options here. Now to log out from your account, click on this Logout option, and here you can see that you have logged out from your account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.